Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Qualcomm, and if you have seen my previous video, I have already talked about the breakout and you have been profited if you have seen my previous videos. So since then, uh, if you have checked my video, then you would have made like 10 14% in the last 1 or 2 months. But as I have said previously, and I'm going to say the same thing, that as this breakout happened after 20 odd years, this means a lot for any stock, and obviously the rise or the next phase, which has already started, is going to get much longer than anybody can expect right now. So this is simply a thing which people denied unless people started feeling left off, and then they jumped in by the time most of the things are over and smart people started selling. So this is the cycle we have seen in the last 200 years, and this is not very new. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of this and more specifically the trends. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, as we have seen in this particular stock, that the stock has indeed, so here you can see that from the lows of 1998 or even 1992, it has given a return of 13,000% till 2020, and now we can see after a span of 20 years, the previous high or the big resistance of $100 has indeed been broken by this stock. So now this 100 will definitely act as a big support rather than a resistance. So, and the way the stock has moved is like this. Okay, as you can see, a trend and an upper end breakout of that trend. So now what one can expect is 106 will be your first support, and then you have a support of $100 on the upside. Now the question is how long it can go. Okay, so here the most important thing to understand is this is a start of a big trend. It is a new trend, but a big trend. Okay, so do not just think and act like it's going to sustain for a couple of weeks, because you are damn wrong about it previously and you're going to do so. Because the thing is, let the stock decide where it actually wants to go. First of all, what we can do technically is have a probability of the movement of a stock, that okay, it can probably go to that level. That's what we can do. We cannot actually guess that how far it can go. Okay, so don't ever try to do that. Let make one thing clear, that if you want to make money, just be with the trend. Do not try to impose your thought on that, because unless you are the one who is buying the stock heavily and can decide the course of the action, so do not think that you are actually going to do that. What you can do is stay with the trend, earn your profit, and whenever you feel uncomfortable, if you are feeling uncomfortable, then it is your right to just move out from that stock. But there is nothing which tells you that, or nobody can tell that this is the limit. Okay, having said that, because sometimes it is irrelevant, but it is necessary, because it is also about your psychology, how and what you are understanding about the money. So here you can see that the previous trend was 700%. Okay, now with this breakout, the probability is it's actually going to repeat the same. So the next target which one can expect over a period of couple of years it's been squeezed. Okay, if you just look at this chart, it's actually that the chart has been squeezed a bit. Okay, now one can see. So here you have your chart, and the actual so here you have, so because the length of the previous trend was 700%, what one can expect over a period of couple of years will be the repeat of same, as I have already told you, and it's going to be uh, a predictable or a probable target price of $800 over a period of couple of years. That's the most important thing to understand. So it's going to take some time. Okay, it's obviously going to take some time. So, and one more thing here, previously right now I'm using the log chart, previously I wasn't. So, and it's advisable to use log chart whenever you're looking at a big trend. Okay, it will give you a fair picture about the trend rather than just hooping around. So previously I told you about 106. Now the actual thing is your first support will come at 114, then you will have $100 on the downside will be a big support, and the range which one could look on the upside will be $800. And the other way you can look at this trend is something like this. Okay, you can use the trend like this, and I think it will give you the same result. Let's have a look. Yep, so here you have, it's going to be same in between 600 and probably $800 on the upside. Okay, I have used one technique, so you can use this one as well. So in between 590 and $847, so I have given you 803 on the upside. So this is what you can think. So it's a start of a fresh and big trend, so you obviously have a target which is pretty big, and obviously it will take some time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.